Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Translate file conversion. And in today's video, I will show you on how to convert PDF Spanish language to English language. Just like what you see right here. This particular PDF right here, everything here was written in Spanish. How do we convert it into English without losing anything from the PDF file right here? So let's go. The first thing we want to do here is to go ahead and make sure we create a new tab. And the next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and come to the search right here and type in Google Translate and hit enter. Then it's going to take us right here. Okay, Google Translate right here. We want to come down right here and make sure you click on the result right here, and you will be taken to the interface right here. Google Translate is a free tool that allows you to translate from one language to another language of your choice. And in this video, we want to see how we can translate our PDF from Spanish to English language. So let's find out. Next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you select your text language right here. Your text language here should be Spanish. Like so, then automatically it's going to be English right here. Next thing you want to do right here is go ahead and navigate to documents. So under the documents, you still have your English right here. You have to make sure you choose Spanish right here, and it automatically select your English. Next thing you want to do is to click on browse your file. Then you have to make sure you look for the PDF in Spanish. I have it in my download folder right here, my BOC, open. Then we go ahead and click on translate. Then here you have it. Then click on open translation right here. Once you click on open translation, then you have it here as English language. Let me zoom out so clear so you can see it right here. Everything here was written now in English language. This is the original document right here. This is the original document in Spanish, just like what you see right here. And we still have every information in that. And this is the translate now in English language. You can see everything still remain. Next thing we want to do is to come back to Google Translate right here. We come down below right here. We click on download translation, just like so. Then we go ahead and you can rename this to be English. Okay, click on save, and the PDF is going to be saved, just like what you see right here. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial about file conversion or translation, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.